Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix 0x800f081f Windows Update error. Let's begin. This error actually occurs when Windows can't locate needed files for updates. So by running a command called sfcscan now, this will resolve and repair those errors by restoring missing system files that updates depends on. Go over here, click on the Windows Start button. All right, type CMD. This is what we need, command prompt. Make sure to run as the administrator. Then this will show in your screen. Go ahead, type SFC scan now. It should look like this. Once you hit enter, it will begin scanning your computer for any corrupted files. Once this hits 100%, it will report over here that it has found those corrupted files and successfully repaired them. You can now then close, restart your computer, and since those files has been restored already and fixed, you will no longer have this issue any longer. So you're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.